we need to get our operating expenses broken down by quarter into our income statement. The difficulty is that we don't have our operating expenses spreadsheet laid out by quarter, so we're going to need to do some manipulation. I put my cursor into cell B10 and I tell Excel, here comes a formula, equals. Navigate over to the operating expenses tab, and one of the things that I'm going to have is this 2.96 million number, 2.906. That number isn't going to move or change, so I'm going to hit my F4 key in order to put a dollar sign in front of the F and a dollar sign in front of the 10. That's going to tell me if I need to copy and paste, always look right there. What I'm going to do with that then is divide by 4. And if I were to divide by 4 then, that will give me quarter one's costs just specifically for my management at the senior levels, salary, benefits, and bonuses. It's to that then I need to add. And what I'm going to add is the sum of all of my departmental costs. And those departmental costs, too, are going to stay in that same area. So I'm going to left mouse click my cursor on my B17 reference, hit my F4, so it says, make sure you're always from OpEx B17. Then I'm going to left click on my F17 reference and again put my dollar signs in there. If you have a fake computer, I don't know if there's a key that does it. Is it function F4? That'll do it. On mine, it's just F4. And actually on some laptops, depending on how you have your keyboard set up, it could be function F4. But the point is, it's going to say, just look there. Then I need to add one more thing. And the one more thing I need to add in there is my specific administrative expenses just for Q1. When I highlight that, though, in this case, I'm not going to do the F4 because when I copy and paste, I want the number to change from column B to column C to column D to column E. So if I hit enter, my number looks like 559406250. Anybody agree or disagree? Oh, we forgot to divide the middle management by 4, didn't we? Yeah. Thank you. Take the middle management, just like we did with the senior management. We forgot to allocate it quarterly. Divide by 4. Thank you. 2183437? Excellent. Save, copy, paste, and no, wait.